Waiting for your cue. तुम क्लैप कर देना जब 30 मिनट्स हो जाए, बताना when you want to start. बट तुम क्यों दे देना. वन टिप इज कि तुम जब when you're talking to me when I'm asking you तो ऐसे you're looking, but बीच बीच में थोड़ा try looking there also, तो तेरा zoom in close up अच्छा आ जाएगा. नेचुरल रखना.
Okay.
नेचुरल रखियो, मतलब जनरली ऑल्सो व्हेन यू टॉक ना थोड़ा इधर उधर होता है ऐसा, वैसे रखना जैसे अभी. बेसिकली हाँ, बेसिकली दैट. Okay, hi Aditya.
Hey.
Long time. So Aditya is a close friend of mine. He used to work with me at Bain, and but I say close friend, but we've not been in touch for the last 2 years. But while at Bain, I think he was one of my closest friends, and we worked on a case for about 4-5 months, I think.
Yeah.
And I can easily say that he's one of the hardest working people I've come across in my entire corporate life in the 3 companies that I've worked with so far. He likes to keep himself busy. He was a workaholic then, and I think he still is. Passing over the bacon to Aditya now. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hey, yes. So I'm Aditya. I basically work at Bain. Been at the company for past almost 3 years. Mostly done a couple of cases in the industrial goods practice, car companies, steel companies, building companies, etc. And prior to that, I did my education from IIT Kanpur. I did a double major in mechanical and electrical engineering, and straight out of campus, I joined Bain. I come from Noida, and I'm right now based in Gurgaon.
Got it. And how's Bain?
So
How's it
far,
been?
it's been a good experience. I think I found the right set of people I want to work with. So it's been a good experience. So
And
far.
what's the honest answer?
That's the honest answer. If you're working so long hours, I would suggest you find the right set of people whom you would want to work with.
Do you think it's easier to get staffed on a project once you've performed and proved yourself? Because I feel like during my time there, I felt that if you work with a manager or a partner and they think that Aditya is reliable, then they are more likely to take you in their team when they are forming a case next. And staffing, for people who don't know, in management consulting is basically getting work, and it's largely your own responsibility because there's so many people, and for the staffing or the case team also to put you on a case, it becomes very difficult. So you have to keep reaching out to them, or you have to find your own way in order to get a staffed on an industry. If you have any industry in mind, then it becomes even more difficult. So do you think that's the case? Yeah, fair.
Yeah, it is, but it's more so once you start climbing the ladder. So ideally, given you will become sort of senior in your position, and there's just one shot you need to deliver the case. So you would ideally want someone you trust who can deliver the case. So that is why people who have had good experience with people, other people, they keep reaching out to them if they are available for staffing. That's one. Another staffing, even though it's said to be your own, you need to work to get staffed, but mostly there's a staffing team, obviously, and it's their KPI also, so that maximum utilization happens. At the junior level, it's more of a hit and go. You can reach out to people.
But कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you wanted to work in an industry and it's been tough for you?
So no, yeah, my personal experience has been very different. So I've been only on long-term cases. Each case has been 8 to 12 months. One backfill for 3 weeks, but that's it. So again, given I've only worked with say 3 or 4 set of people, it's usually more easy for me to stay with them. So I haven't had the opportunity to go and reach out for some industry. Otherwise, also mech and electrical engineering, I'm more passionate towards a core sector. I have no fascination, at least now, for CPG, TMT, those savvy sectors.
ठीक है, तो let's get back a little. Once you were in IIT, you went to IIT Kanpur, right?
Yes.
Which is one of the better IITs in the country.
Okay.
What's the hierarchy? You tell me, what's the order among IITs which is the best?
Personally, for me, IIT Kanpur would be the best. But obviously, there's a QS ranking, and for QS ranking, I think it's sometimes Delhi, sometimes Bombay. Obviously, ISC at the top, but that's not an IIT. Delhi, Bombay, Madras, then Kharagpur and Kanpur interchangeably. Sometimes there are 4 or 5.
Got it.
Yeah.
And once you were in IIT, did you know that you want to get into consulting, or you figured it along the way?
Yeah, so this is a very weird story. So I never had a fascination for consulting. I never knew what consulting was, at least till third year. So IIT Kanpur में it was मतलब the process was very weird for MBB consulting companies. They did not used to come through the standard placement office. They were invited by the President Gymkhana route. So it was the placement for that was done in the summers, while the normal placement would happen in the subsequent December. So they came and they did their presentation. Obviously, it was a no loss, no regret type move. So everybody sat.
Acha.
And my resume was very research heavy. I had a good CPI, CGPA, CPI, mostly research, couple of publications, and a lot more towards the academic side, not so much towards say extracurriculars. So I gave my resume and they shortlisted me. Again, a no regret move. I said I'll go and sit in the
So it was
interviews.
not a dream company. ऐसा कुछ
Not
नहीं था कि
for
सब
me.
ट्राई कर रहे हैं
Not
Bain
for me,
McKinsey के लिए.
yes.
क्या
मतलब
थी ड्रीम कंपनी, क्या थी वहाँ पे कैंपस पे?
back then I was thinking कि I'll sit for these uh, finance companies or even the HFT, the high frequency trading companies. So I had prepped for those. I also had plans as a backup कि नहीं हुआ तो I'll go into AI because I was building up my profile that way as well. I had publications that were मतलब closely related to AI, and I also had course projects that were core AI. So if not, I would have gone there. But then this happened, and I said, I anyway don't have it figured out. Where do I want to go? So this is a good way to experience multiple industries and then think where do I need to go. So that's how. Bain
Got
happened.
it. And let's get even थोड़ा और पीछे.
Yeah.
Why did you want to get into IIT? Was it mostly जैसे लोगों का होता है कि everybody is trying, I'm smart, parents are saying हाँ ठीक है, why not IIT? या फिर you actually had that रणछोड़दास वाला this thing कि यार I want to create stuff, I want to innovate.
Yeah, definitely. When I was small, I used to say कि मुझे scientist बनना है. But obviously, I'm sure this would have been reinforced by my parents back then. ये करो, this is great. See, जो लोग smart होते हैं, etc. Then I kept going कि ठीक है करते रहते हैं. Everybody would need to choose something. I did not have a preference. Definitely more inclination towards maths and physics. Kept doing. I got in. Definitely at IIT, I got a bit more clarity, and then further down at Bain, I'm getting much more clarity on where I want to be. Not something that I built.
How tough is it to get into it? What was your study schedule at that point in time? And also tell me this how have things changed? जैसे you must have been preparing about 5-6 years ago. You're
Yeah.
26, right?
Yeah.
So maybe 8 years ago, 7-8 years ago. उस तब में और आज में, if you are aware of what the landscape is, how have things changed?
I can tell you more about how it was back then. Let's start with that one.
What was your day like? And how was it different from a commerce student, let's say?
Yeah, so my day would be packed from I think 10 बजे से to the evening. I think 5 p.m. We would be doing classes throughout. I think 3 hours or 2.5 hours. I don't remember correctly for each subject. And then you would get homework for that. You need to go and practice, and that's what you used to do throughout.
What about school?
So I went to Kota, and Kota has a dummy school kind of construct. So you get an admission and you just go and give exams. Obviously, the exams are not dummy; those you need to give. But the attendance is sort of marked if you go and give your attendance at your coaching institute. So school guy did not have to take a lot of tension. Only during the exams, English thoda sa padna pada because you need to know the literature and the poems to actually write something. Otherwise, I think it was fairly.
And is it better to go to Kota?
I think so, yes.
Kyun?
So because you would get a very structured approach towards the entire curriculum. So you know exactly what you need to study in what sequence and to what depth. Then B, you get a reality check on where you are because the best mind of the country go to Kota, and if you are competing with it and you're getting certain rank, you can be reasonably sure that you will get a similar rank across India. See, the teachers there are very, very good. So they have been teaching many people over the years. And if you are doing well and you are put into a good batch, you would get a teacher who is reasonably experienced, and they would coach you well as well. So I think from all these standpoints, it does make sense to Kota. Obviously, it's very pricey if you want to, but
What's the fee structure like?
back then it was, I think, 2.5 lakhs for 2 years coaching, but I'm sure it would have increased.
Much more than school, basically.
Much more than school, yeah. आज का स्कूल का also I don't know. I think इतना तो गुड़गांव के schools में लग जाता है, but tier 2, tier 3, 25,000 per.
But do you think कि home environment is also important, या फिर वहाँ पे you're basically detached from everybody and तुम 16-17 साल की एज में वो प्रेशर के साथ जा रहे हो कि ये नहीं तो कुछ नहीं?
मतलब cost benefit analysis है ये. If you are aiming for something,
let me ask you this, how many people actually make it to the IITs?
यार
From a general quota batch out of 100 people, how many people actually?
general quota batch.
General,
So if you say-
on an average, quota batch में से. General, by that I don't mean the reservation category and all.
नहीं, of course.
On an average, कितना % है acceptance?
यार कोटा में कितने लोग होंगे? I have zero clue, but से 2 लाख लोग भी है ना, तो कोटा में I would say 10,000 लोग जो IIT से जा रहे हैं, एटलीस्ट हाफ तो उसमें से कोटा से आएंगे.
Okay.
So it's still better odds being at Kota. मतलब I can be wrong obviously,
Yeah.
but what my sense is कि इतने तो आते ही होंगे. You have better chances या odds being at Kota than not.
Okay. But do you know people who didn't go to any of
Of
these?
course, my flatmates, no, one of them did not go. They did homeschooling and
And they
home
made
coaching
it.
as well. Yes, of course.
So you, in hindsight, do you think would have been a better choice?
नहीं यार,
What
ऐसा-
would you suggest to the next generation? Let's say.
Yeah,
someone's
if I had a
prepared.
child and they wanted to pursue this line, I would say go to Kota. Obviously, आप वो वाला element की बोल रहे हो कि बचपन के friends you will miss. You will definitely make new friends. I have a lot of friends who are in different IITs and not even IITs, then doing something else, who are part of my life in Kota. It's not like you will be totally detached, एकदम अकेले सूने पड़े रहोगे. मतलब it's a new experience.
Yeah.
If you achieve your end goal, then it's a great experience. So I would definitely push them to go to Kota if they want to do an IIT. I am not sure if they would.
The odds are better there of conversion. is
Odds
what
are
you
better,
say.
yes.
And how different is life in Kota than they show in these shows, like Kota Factory अगर देखा है तो?
यार कोटा फैक्ट्री में वो लव एंगल हटा दो, तो बाकी चीजें जो थी आई थिंक दैट्स
Love angle नहीं होता वहाँ पे.
होता होगा, आई एम श्योर, बट समवन विद फिर रिजल्ट भी वैसे ही होता होगा जैसे वो लव एंगल वाले का था.
Actually वो नहीं क्लियर कर पाया था जो उसका हीरो था.
That's what I meant. मतलब it's very difficult to balance both, and at a young age, especially when you have someone or a lot more people who are focusing on one thing, unless you are extraordinary, you won't be able to. So I'm just coming from the other set who did not have a love angle back in Kota. So for them, I think question क्या था?
मैं बस ये पूछ रहा था डिफरेंस क्या है वहाँ की लाइफ
हाँ,
जो शो
so
में दिखा रहे हैं
correct.
और एक्चुअल में जो
It
होता
was
है.
pretty accurate.
Pretty accurate.
Yeah.
Okay. And वहाँ पे भी you had professors like जीतू भैया who were more than teachers, more than professors, more like friends, gurus, etc.
Gurus, yes. Friends, I personally did not have ऐसे कि मैं जाके लाइफ के problems discuss कर रहा हूँ. मतलब I am sure many people would have reached out, but gurus, yes, they were great.
And what do you do there for recreation and all? There are no extracurriculars. There's nothing, no?
यार तो the entire economy in Kota is built around students. तो वहाँ पे because they know students are very susceptible to distractions. अंडर मतलब बेसमेंट में प्ले स्टेशन एंड ऑल का उन्होंने बना रखा होगा, या फिर स्नूकर टेबल, पूल टेबल एक्सेट्रा. तो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वेज टू गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. पर्सनली
But do they restrict you? कि hostel curfew time है या फिर whatever है?
आई एम श्योर इट्स मोर स्ट्रिक्ट फॉर गर्ल्स. आई डोंट थिंक फॉर बॉयज.
कुछ नहीं है.
नॉट
Not much.
मच.
Got it. And I have also witnessed that across the organizations I've worked with, in you and in other people also, people who come from an IIT background are analytical तो होते ही हैं वो, but they're faster also in picking things up. Like a complicated data set है या फिर कोई चीज है जो new है to them, an engineer, especially from an IIT background, will be able to pick it up much faster. And he'll be ready to put in those 12 hours also to understanding it. वो आराम से करेगा and वो समझेगा डिटेल में अच्छे से. become an expert in it. Why does that happen? ऐसा क्या होता है? Does it happen during the study process या फिर IITs में ऐसा कुछ है?
So I can give you only a standalone मतलब perspective, not a comparative की versus IIT
Yeah,
or
yeah.
not. But definitely engineering is something where you get taught to learn anything and everything. So we have a varied set of courses. It's not just restricted to say mechanical engineering, the core courses. I have done modern art courses. I have done economics courses. एंड बियॉन्ड तो मैंने दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट्स के भी किए हुए हैं तो विद दैट एंड गिवन यू नीड टू डू 5-6 courses in a half year construct you sort of understand get that habit to learn or pick up something very quickly, identify what are the important points that you need to remember and then sort of remember those because otherwise आप नहीं कर पाओगे.
तो इतना rigorous है वहाँ पे कि आपको आदत हो
very
जाती है.
very rigorous. I say
But this
consulting
is true for IIT also या only in Kota?
not for Kota, for IIT.
For IITs.
Yeah. Kota में it's more of a set मतलब set system है वो. कोई जाके बस वो system follow करे तो I think they'll make it.
अच्छा.
IITs is much more dynamic. I don't think a lot of people can just do it with a set playbook. It's a very holistic environment. So my flatmate who lives with me basically, he did dance throughout his 4 years. And with that, he maintained a great CPI. He did multiple things which included the spectrum of cultural as much as you could do that. Academia. He also published research papers as part of his dual degree. सो इफ यू सी इतना ज्यादा स्पेक्ट्रम में अगर बंदा हैंडल करने लग जाता है तो ए उसको कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है कि ही कैन हैंडल एनीथिंग इन लाइफ बी यू एक्चुअली लर्न दोज स्किल्स टू हैंडल दोज थिंग्स इन लाइफ तो कॉन्फिडेंस प्लस द कोर स्किल्स बोथ ऑफ देम यू बिल्ड तो आई थिंक
व्हाट इज ही डूइंग आजकल
ही इज वर्किंग इन VMOC which is another alumni का startup recently shifted to a new company.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. So to summarize, I think basically my understanding is that you would suggest people to try for the IITs because show में भी यही दिखाया actually कि IIT करो क्योंकि tough है.
नहीं यार.
If you are able to sustain that pressure, then you probably can handle anything and everything in life. You have that edge over other people around you.
Absolute sense में अगर देखोगे तो ठीक है, but इसके ऊपर से added pressure from society and all आ जाता है कि अब IIT किया है तो there are certain expectations from him that I think kills a lot of.
ये नहीं होता कि अब IIT कर लिया तो अब ठीक है, अब जो करेगा अच्छा ही करेगा.
डिपेंड्स ऑन योर पेरेंट्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. उसके बाद हो जाता है कि IIT कर लिया 1 करोड़ की जॉब लेके आएगा, उसके बाद शादी करेगा, तगड़ा दहेज मिलेगा. दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, इफ देयर आर एक्सपेक्टेशंस एंड पर्सन वांट्स टू वेंचर समवेयर एल्स, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर फैमिली, हाउ सपोर्टिव.
Yeah. Let's talk about consulting a little bit.
Yes,
now.
sir.
Why Bain? Why not McKinsey? Why not BCG?
वेरी सिंपल आंसर. बेन ने शॉर्टलिस्ट किया मुझे. So
And how does one get into Bain?
something that differentiates you from the crowd.
Other people. Would you buy RCB?
I would buy RCB, of course. मतलब
What's a case interview?